Hi, I'm Liz, education and mental health professional, and I'm often asked for a test for ADHD and do I have ADHD? So I tried to come up with something that will help people, and it's great to have a test for ADHD. However, this is awareness, for building awareness. Really, to get a diagnosis, you would need to follow the diagnostic process in your area and speak to a professional. Always consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns. And I have another video on what to do if you would like to pursue a diagnosis. But using my decades of experience and research into this topic, I've come up with some questions for an unofficial ADHD test. Remember, if you find it helpful, hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment down below as well. It really means the world to me. Okay, are you ready to take the unofficial ADHD test? So grab a pen and paper and let's go through 15 questions. For each question, we're going to use the following scale, and I'll leave it up on the screen. Never is 0, 1 rarely, 2 sometimes, 3 often,
4 very often.
Let's dive into some questions and answer honestly. Keep track of your responses. Are we ready? Okay, number 1. Do you struggle to finish tasks even when you start with enthusiasm? Okay, so write down your answer to that. 2. Are you easily overwhelmed by sensory input, like loud noises or bright lights? Again, record your answer. 3. Is understanding social cues or maintaining eye contact a challenge for you? 4. Do you find it hard to sit still, always needing to fidget or move? 5. Do you have intense interests that you can spend hours on without getting bored? 6. Are you easily distracted by external stimuli or even your own thoughts whilst doing something? 7. Do changes in routine or unexpected events stress you out? 8. Is organising tasks and managing time a constant battle? 9. Do you engage in stimming behaviours like hand flapping or rocking when you're excited or stressed? 10. Are you impulsive in your actions or decision making? 11. Is interpreting facial expressions or tone of voice difficult for you? 12. Do you struggle to switch between tasks or activities? 13. Are you forgetful about important appointments or deadlines? 14. Are you particularly sensitive and emotional when you get criticism or rejection? 15. Do you often mask your true self to fit in socially? Okay, so now take some time to go back through the questions and add up your score. When you have a total, come back and we'll discuss what it might mean. So remember, everybody is going to be really different. It's really difficult to come up with a test for ADHD like this. It's just to give you a starting point and some things to think about. So don't worry if your score's totally different to other people's. I feel like you should still consider, if you are looking at this area, some professional input anyway. So let's do a score breakdown. So if you score between 30 and 60 points, you may have some traits associated with ADHD. I'd strongly suggest discussing your experiences with a healthcare professional for further clarity. If you scored 0 to 29 points, you may not have significant traits associated with ADHD.
If your overall score falls somewhere in the middle range, it may indicate traits associated with ADHD or ASD. Remember, this self-assessment isn't a diagnostic tool.
But like I said, if you're concerned, it's still a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. ADHD is complex and requires a professional assessment. Whether your score was high or low, remember you're unique and valuable just as you are. Understanding how your brain works can help you to navigate life more effectively and to embrace your strengths. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below with your score.
Thanks so much for watching.